If you're a CNC professional looking for a powerful CAM system to program your CNC machines, one that's balanced with features, ease of use, and affordability, then BobCAD-CAM is the right CAM for you. Whether you're programming a CNC mill or CNC lathe, we have you covered. BobCAD offers highly effective, easy-to-use toolpaths to get the most out of your CNC equipment. Check your work as you go with advanced simulation software that comes standard, reporting runtimes, collisions, and leftover material, providing you the confidence to take on the most complex of jobs. Get your chips flying with BobCAD's adaptive toolpaths, designed for deeper, smoother, and faster cutting, available for 2, 3, 4, and 5-axis machining. Call us now and join the thousands of shops that choose to program their parts right inside of SolidWorks. Or get your free trial of BobCAD today. Just fill out the form on the right and click the Get Free Demo button.